Hello everyone, playing Beyblade is a lot of fun, but after playing a lot of time with these Beyblades, I am getting very bored. I want more sparks and destruction like in the fictional Beyblade. So now I started searching on YouTube to make a powerful Beyblade. Finally, I found a crazy guy who makes the world's largest Beyblade. Actually, he makes it for this reason.
So, a couple of months ago, I realized I had too many legs. And to fix this, I made this, a giant Beyblade out of 3-foot.
Guys, really I love this video. If you want, you can subscribe to his channel. So coming to my topic, to make a such type of powerful Beyblade, first we need to understand the basic working principle of rotating discs, or simply called flywheels, which stores the energy in the form of rotational mass. The formula is Ke, or kinetic energy, or rotational kinetic energy, is equal to half mv square. So here v is the angular velocity of the system and m is the mass of the system. If you increase the angular velocity, the rotational kinetic energy also increases, or simply called as, if you increase the speed of the object, then it stores more energy. And the next parameter, if you increase the mass of the object, then also it stores more energy. So now I want to focus on this parameter. If you increase the mass or size of the Beyblade, it can store more energy. So now I need a big gear wheel and I got this at my electric cycle. I worked so hard to remove this gear wheel from the cycle. Thank God I have a lot of patience. The gear wheel is too rusty, I need to clean it.
5 minutes later.
So the gear wheel is ready. Let's make the Beyblade.
The next day.
Due to examination, I kept this Beyblade at storeroom. After a month, it again get rusted. So the same process is repeated. Yeah, finally the Beyblade is ready. I want to check with this rope test. The result with rope test is not good because the rope is not able to transfer that much of energy to the Beyblade. So I need to make an alternative launcher for this Beyblade. Here I use 755 DC motor to make the launcher. But the problem is, how can I connect the Beyblade to the motor and how can I launch the Beyblade? To do this, I make a simple mechanism here to connect and disconnect the Beyblade from the motor. So here you can see how the motor shaft connect to the Beyblade. So like this way we can connect the motor and disconnect the motor from Beyblade. So and I got a handle for this to hold the motor. So now let's test this launcher. The RPM of the Beyblade is around 3000 RPM. It's so faster. I want to show you some clips which shows the power of this Beyblade.